Chinese character, types and how to write. Lesson 4. Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. We all know that, not like English and not like Arabic, Chinese has characters, not letters. That's why it is somehow difficult to read or write Chinese. Today, before learning how to write, we're going to take a closer look at some types of Chinese characters. The first type is the graphic symbol or the pictogram. This makes up only a small portion of Chinese characters and consists of the objects and the shapes around us. Look carefully at the symbols and at the pictures. They look similar, right? That's why it is called the pictogram. The other type is the compound character, and it consists of two or more pictographic characters to give us a new meaning. Let's see example for this type. For the two compound characters, we have left and right, above and bottom, outside and inside. To make it clear, 女, which means girl in English, and 也, which means also or two in English. When they come together, it becomes 她, which means she in English. This is the left and right order, because we have 女 on the left and 也 on the right. 山, which means mountain in English, and 夕, which means sunset or evening in English. When those come together, it becomes 岁, which means age in English. And this is the above and bottom order. Now, let's go and see the technique to write the Chinese character. To write Chinese, you should start from the left to the right and from up to down. Examples. We learned the word 我, which means I or me in English. To write it, start from the left to the right, from up to down, left to right, up to down, up to down, and then the spot or the dot. We have here 7 strokes. Another example, 国, which means country. We have here 8 strokes. The same, start from the left to the right, left to the right, up to down, left to right, this spot, and then left to right. Hope you got it. That's the end of the lesson. See you next time.